This week has been the hottest days. We got our hedge delivered, finally. I couldn't wait to plant it in the ground so that it could grow over the summer and create a more private area for us in the front of the house. I chose the brilliant cotonia star for the hedge because, according to reviews, it turned out to be the most unpretentious and fastest growing plant. Plus, look at how beautiful its leaves are. Last one, and then the second part. Ooh. It's very hard. And also this week guests came to us and gave us such a wonderful pie with the wish, peace to your home. It's so cute. Thank you, dear ones. Yes, the temperature outside the window was the highest this week, but not only there. This week the kids also decided to raise their temperature and get sick. But I'm not surprised that they decided to get sick in the very head, because the last time they got sick with their temperature was a year ago in Greece, so it's almost a tradition. Don't worry, they recovered quickly as usual. They are strong guys. Oh no. This is my enemy number one. I hate these flowers. I even don't know how it in English. And I don't want to know it. I just hate it. It's time for my hat. Finally. I will do it with this instrument. Only with roots. This week I really enjoyed working in the garden. These are wonderful days. Despite the difficulties, the children also tried to enjoy the head. And we all enjoyed the full-fledged greenery and the blossoming of spring. In a country where the weather changes from season to season, you need to really be able to enjoy sunny days. Otherwise, you can skip everything and you will not notice how the rains will go and the snow will fall again. I hope you love any weather, as I do. Beauty and benefits can be found in any weather. Now it has started raining and I'm glad because this new section of the lawn couldn't rise in any way of these hot dry days. But now it has started raining and I'm very glad. The grass began to sprout quickly.